Welcome to Python Uncovered. In last lecture, we have discussed about immutables and mutables in Python. In today's lecture, let's understand what are different types of immutables available in Python. So these all are different types of immutables available in Python. There are even more, but these are main immutables in Python. So in previous lecture, I took example of string object and I explained immutables, how immutables behave in memory. Right? In today's lecture, let's understand each and everything how it behaves along with the code. So in Python, integer is an immutable, float is an immutable, string is an immutable, which we already know, boolean is an immutable, and tuple is also immutable. I'll just explain, I'll just recall the definition of immutable again. So immutable objects are objects whose value cannot be modified, and if you try to modify or update its value, instead of rewriting its value, it creates a new object in a memory. For example, I said integer is an immutable in Python, right? Let's take this as a memory, and when we assign 10 to uh, an integer 10 to a variable, and if we try to modify this 10 as 20, instead of updating it here, like instead of overriding the 10 as 20, in memory what happens is it creates a new object separately, and a starts referring to that object instead of the previous 10. This is what happens, and previous 10 remains still in a memory. This is why integer is immutable in Python. Similarly, float is also immutable, string is also immutable, which I explained clearly in last lecture. Boolean is also immutable. So when let's take an example as t is a variable which is taking a value true, and if we try to modify the t as false, instead of updating it here, it will create a new value in a memory, and it starts referring to that value instead of the previous value, but still previous value remains in a memory. This is what happens in immutables. Tuple is also same. So whenever you create a tuple and when you try to modify that tuple, basically we cannot modify tuple like how we modify list using append, insert, extend. These commands won't work with tuple, but when we try to change the tuple values, instead of updating the tuple value there itself, it creates a new object of tuple. I'll explain everything and I'll prove everything clearly with the code. So these all are immutables available in Python, and now I'll prove that these are immutables in Python with the code. Let's jump into the VS Code. If I go to VS Code, immutables. So here in this code, I have taken initially integer I as 10 and I have modified I to 20, and here initially when the I is 10, I printed it as the value of I is this one and its ID is the so and so on. And after modifying I to 20, similarly I printed its value and its ID. So if the ID is changed, then it indicates that that particular object is immutable. If the identity in a memory location remains same, then it indicates that it is a mutable data type or mutable object. So similarly have taken for string as well, also for tuple. So these are three examples I have taken. I'll just run the code and I'll show you if the identity of that variable has changed or not. I'll just expand. So for integer, when initially we took I as 10 and its ID is this one, and after that when we changed its value to 20, its ID also changed. It means it created a new object instead of modifying the same object. So integer is an immutable. Also string, initially we took string s as Satya and its ID is this one, and when we change this s string as matrix of Satya, its ID is also changed. So these two IDs are not same, which indicates that it has created a new object in memory instead of modifying the old one. This indicates that string is an immutable object. Also the tuple. So initially I took t as t tuple t as 1 comma 2 comma 3 and its id is this one. So when we changed the tuple values as 1 comma 2 comma 3, its id is also changed. If you see in this code, I'll just drag it down. So initially I took 1 comma 2 comma 3 and later I updated it as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So its id is also changed, which indicates that tuple is also immutable in Python. So this is brief about immutables in Python, and also there are other immutables but we don't mostly use. So these all are main immutable data types available in Python. In next lecture, let's understand mutables along with the code in detail. See you in the next lecture.